Alright, hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Alright, so for the first session, we will start at 7 a.m. Malaysia time. So I will start in another 1 minute like this. When we go in live, we can see the timing. So I will start in 1 minute. Okay. Alright, so today we will go to resistance become support or RBS, and yesterday we had a signal from Michael. I think it's on GJ, GBP JPY. Okay, so Michael has a trade call and they give yesterday about here, I think SBR. Okay, so it really is a simple and powerful trade. Okay, so over here is support, and then you have a breakout here, breakout, you have a breakout, and then it go back here, become support, breakout, resistance, support become resistance, turn on the candlestick, and then you will have here. Okay, this is a supply zone. Okay, so your stop loss is about 5 to 10 pip above the zone. Okay, so right over here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 over here. Okay. Stop loss 5 to 10 pips above the zone. Okay. So over here is Michael entry. You can see he shared it in the group yesterday. So before this, you might ask me whether there will be a signal from me or anything. So I do not provide signal, but I will teach you how to trade, which means you are the one that gonna make a trade call or signal like that. Okay. Where is it? Like this. This is from Michael. Okay. So he give here support, breakout, resistance. So I see this is quite interesting place. So I also join him and I also sell here, but my take profit is only up to here. Okay. But actually it go to the maximum. Okay. So I only take up to this level, 85 pips. But if you are holding the trade, you might get the maximum of 316 pip in just one night. Okay. So yesterday, Michael give the trade call on 9. No, about 9:30 yesterday. 9:30. Then just in a few hours, you already got about 315 pip, and your float is only about 7 pip. Okay, so we take that as 10 pip, for example, 10 pips to raise 10 pip. And your reward is about 300 pips. reward. Okay. So 10 to 30, about 1 to 30 ratio of the risk and reward. Okay. So this is one of a great trade using the basic support become resistant. Okay. So today we be go on to resistant become support. Okay. Normally putting a stop loss is around 10 pip or more. You need to put the stop loss like this. 5 to 10 pip above the zone. So the total stop loss is about 20 pips, 21 pip. Okay. So if your zone, for example, let's go to UJ. Okay, so this is my trade on UJ. Already hit my TP, take profit. Okay. So over here is about 8 pips. Okay, 8 pips. So you're gonna put your stop loss about 10 pips above the zone. Okay, 10 pips. Okay, so your stop loss is over here. 10 pips above the zone. Okay. Oh, higher. Okay, up here. So your stop loss will be about 20 pips. 10 pips, 8 pips on your zone and 10 pips on stop loss. Because this one you might get the spread and everything. So just want to make sure they did not stop hunt your stop loss. Okay. So sometimes the broker also have a plug in. So they will just within the spread and take your stop loss and then go down here. So sometimes we go, my stop loss is quite big, but I will cut my loss about here, same place, 10 pip above the zone. Okay, is it for SNR only or including demand? Demand, supply is the same thing. Okay, so this is a drop, base drop. Okay, so my stop loss is 10 to 5 to 10 pip above the zone. Okay, you must always put your stop loss 5 to 10 pips above the zone. Okay, just note this down. Okay, look, 5 to 10 pip above the zone. Okay, so this is a trade call from Michael, quite good. Okay, so for Euro GBP, I also bought here. I also buy here. I already closed this morning. Okay, look over here. What is it? It's the chapter 1. Also trade from chapter 1. Look, a lot of trade opportunity. Okay, so you already got about 80 pips. Okay, so a lot of trade you can take. Okay, so for Euro GBP, if you take from up here, okay, so you also have a trade here. Look, from up here, you get about 173, 171. And then from here, you got about 76. Okay, so a lot of trade opportunity you can get. Okay, so we go on to resistance becomes support. Okay, for sell limit, placing SL above the resistance level. For buy limit, placing SL below the support level. Yes, it's not a level but zone. You must put the stop loss below this zone. Look, for this one is support and resistance. Okay, so your stop loss is 10 pip above the zone. Look, 10 pips just over here. Okay, 10 pips and then 10 pips here. About 10 pips. So your zone is 20 pips and another 10 pip for your stop loss. So your stop loss is 30 pips from your entry. And this one, your zone is about 16 pips. And then 10 pips above the zone, about 26 pips is your stop loss. Okay. So when it drop down like this, just partial close after you get your 10 pips. For example, your 10 pips is here, or you can wait until 30 pips. Okay, 30 pips is right here, and then you can put your stop loss here. Okay, break even. So if your trade is correct, you should not worry the stop loss will hit your break even, because price will go like this. Okay, it will drop down unless it will go like this. You put your stop loss here, and then it will break even like this. So this one, I don't like the double retracement lah. Okay, I like the price when it doing like this. Okay, so I will just minimize my risk from 30 pips to break even. Okay, so if the trade is good, it will just shoot off. Okay, so if it retrace, it just retrace for a moment. So this one is actually a price action trade over here. Over here is a price action trade. You go to lower time frame. You will see a QM high, low, high, high, low, low. So your trade will be here. Okay, so you can entry trade here. Okay, still get the same stuff. All right, with price action. Okay. Okay, clear about placing SL. All right. So I will go into RBS. So resistance becomes support is a setup for long or buy. So RBS occur when price successfully break resistance level and the pullback to the origin of the breakout will become the new support level. Okay, so over here is the resistance, and then you will have a breakout, and then it go to support, and then it shoot off. Same thing with support become resistant. Just flip the chart. But sometimes I more prefer entry on resistant, support become resistant. This one has higher probability trade compared to resistant become support. Because when trading resistance become support, I will encounter two things: whether my pending order did not trigger, and sometimes hit my stop loss for RBS. It's quite difficult to find a good RBS. Okay, so first step is to open your line chart. So mark the resistance level, mark the breakout, and see there is a price returning to it. Okay, so change to candlestick, resistance, breakout, pull back to origin of the breakout and become the support. Okay, so okay, that's it for today, and for SBR support, no, for RBS resistance become support. So we will try to find it on the chart. Okay. Okay, let's find RBS. Resistance become support. Oh, delete all selected. Okay, is this a good one? Okay, let's see. Nope, it doesn't. It leave my my pending order will not trigger. How about here? Okay, so we have a trade here. Okay, so we will mark our resistance and support. Okay, delete. Okay, so this is our resistance. This is our breakout. and this will become our support. So save here, save as picture. For example, 67. Alright, 67. If you have any question, you can ask. It's dangerous for you to watch while driving. Okay, so you have an entry here, and you shoot off. Okay, so resistance, breakout, support. Okay, so also save as picture. 68. Okay. International. What is the keyword? Chapter 1. Okay. Resistance becomes RBS. Homework chapter 1, chapter 1. Great. Okay. Just need to drag my chart here. Okay. So you can post your homework here. Because if you want to be a great trader, you need to do your homework. You need to work hard for it. There's no easy step. So line chart. Comment line chart. Reply. Candlestick chart. And then just click enter. Okay. So if you want to send the second set, make sure you write a new one. Don't reply all of the set in one comment. So only one comment for one setup. And then just if you have two setup, you just comment a new one. Okay. So do you have any other question? Let me see. Whoa. All right. So if there is no other question, I think our webinar will be until here lah. So later we'll be going into supply and demand. So that's it for support and resistance. The important one, only the trading range and only the SBR, the row reversal. Okay. Remember, you can have a good trading range like this. This is a good trading range. Okay. Look, a very good trading range over here. If you can see, I only trade here using trading range. Look, over here, I use the resistance here, and then I use the support here. A very simple trade. You can make profit by it. A very simple one. Okay, so that's it for this session. So see you on the second session for the second session student lah. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a nice day.